For more than 30 years, this General Electric clock radio has sat at my bedside, getting me to class and to work on time. I received it as a Christmas gift in 1982. Its only failing to date is that the light behind the radio dial no longer works.
I think anything like this is possible.
Hear Adam Lamatti Radio right now on iHeartRadio. Download the iHeartRadio app today or listen online at
Let's get a closer look at its interesting features and functions. Of course, its most notable feature is the keypad, which allows you to directly set the time and the two alarms. For example, it's 1:15 p.m. currently, so we put 1:15 p.m., enter, time is set. Setting the alarms is very simple. For example, let's say we want alarm 1 for 6 a.m. and alarm 2 for 7:42 a.m. For the first alarm, slide the switch down to Wake Display, key in 600, enter, and now it's set for 6 a.m. For the second alarm, the same, slide the switch down to Wake Display, key in 742, enter, and it is set. Now to engage the alarm, you can slide it up to either music, in which it will just turn on the radio, or we can have music plus alarm, which after the time set on the snooze button, if you haven't disabled it, it will turn on the alarm, which is a beep. And one of the interesting features about this is it has what they call the Graduate alarm system. What that means is that when the alarm first turns on, the radio will play at a very low level and gradually get louder over about a 3-minute period. By the same token, if you have it set to music plus alarm, the radio will come on and then get louder, and if you haven't turned it off, then the alarm comes on and also gets louder over a period of time. On the right side we have the tuning dial, volume control, AM/FM band selector. On the back we have the selector switch for the Graduate alarm system, either on or off, and the control for the display dimmer. On the bottom we have the date code, the serial number, and a handy guide for operations. As I mentioned before, the only failing on this unit so far is that the dial light behind the radio dial no longer works. It has never been opened in the 30+ years that I've owned it, and amazingly enough, even the volume pot is not scratchy. By the same token, the dimmer for the display also operates very smoothly. You may have noticed that, aside from the chrome trim being worn off in spots, it's in incredibly good condition. You're probably wondering, why is that? Because every time I moved, I put it back in its original box and packaging to prevent damage. Let's have a good look at the box. If you pause the video, you may be able to read the print if I stop moving the box around. The General Electric Touch Time Model 7-4800. Still going strong after 30+ years of 24/7 service. Thanks for watching and catch you next time.